So I've got the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, and let me show you how to scan documents with this tablet. So I have a little document here. So what you need to do is just open the camera app, and when you point the camera app at a document which is relatively flat like this one, just put it on a flat surface like this, and it's gonna detect that this is a document and give you this icon here. So tap on that icon, and then it's gonna get captured, and then you can just sort of just make sure the edges are properly set to capture just the document. Okay, let's go to the bottom there and just make sure that it's right like that, and then tap on save. Okay, and then if that document has multiple pages, you can go to the other page and also capture another shot. So just point it, and once it detects it's an image, it's going to give you this. Tap on it, and then again you can reframe it. Just put the corners at the very corners, and then tap on save. Now those two images have been saved to the gallery. Okay, so if you go to the gallery, and in fact they've been formatted to look just like a scanned document. Okay, but these are image files. If you go to the little menu, or just go to the information here, you can see these are JPEG files. So now that you've captured them, what you need to do now is go to the Notes app. So just launch the Notes app and create a new note. Now in this new note, you want to tap on the plus symbol, tap on image, select your gallery, and then select your images in the order in which you want them to appear in your document. So for instance, I just took this one first and then this one later. So select them, tap on done, and you can see those are now in our PDF document. In our Samsung document. So then you can tap on the three dots in the top right corner, select save as file, select PDF file, and then choose where you want to save your PDF file. I'm going to save mine in documents. Tap on done, give your document a name. I'll call mine test document. And tap on save. Simple as that. So now if I go to the Files app and just navigate to documents in my internal storage, you can see my test document PDF is here, and I can open it at any time, just like that. Okay, so that is basically how to create PDF documents, or rather how to scan documents and save them as PDF using a Galaxy Tab A11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.